Hi, thank you for watching. My name is Berenice, and I work as a project and change manager here at Highview Solutions. In today's presentation, I'm going to answer questions like what is Gemini? What can Gemini do for you? And how can you go about purchasing Gemini for your Google Workspace subscription? So, the first question is what is Gemini? And a lot has been said about what is Gemini. The best way I can put it is it's a tool, nothing but a tool that it's going to help you with your daily task. And I'm going to share my screen. That's why I'm looking the other way. But yes, it's a tool that's going to help you with your daily task. So, if you will, it's an enhancement for your existing skills. It's going to help you with your research when you are creating your um, project planner. It's going to help you keep track of all of those tasks, and it's going to help you also with your when you are composing messages so that it's faster to go through your mailbox, as it can be a daunting task. It can also help you with your slides, and it's also included in Google Meet. Now let's see in action what they actually do for you. So on email, I have two ways of accessing Gemini from here. On the top right hand, I have the sidebar, or if I want that directly on the compose window, I hit compose, and at the bottom, I have the option help me write. Now, because of time, I'm just going to copy and paste a prompt that I have ready for this video. And what I'm asking Gemini is to draft a pitch for our latest features that we have added on our signature manager for Gmail. This was created for by Highview Solutions. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And yeah, it looks exactly like what I needed. But from here, I can choose whether I want to recreate. That's another option. If you are not comfortable with the first output, you can go ahead and click on recreate. We also have the option refine, either to add a different tone if we wanted to make it more formalized, or if we want to elaborate on all of the features that we have included for this email. And now, if this makes sense, if this resonates with me, I'm going to go ahead and click insert. And then I can just simply add the information. Probably I need to set up a signature. And I can go ahead and add the recipients. And of course, I'm going to type in the subject for this email. So that's how you can use Gemini on your Gmail interface. Let's jump on to the next part of this video, which is how to go about using Gemini for slides. So what you want to do here is probably create a slide. And this can be used mostly for the marketing team. It can be used for sales. It can be used by the marketing. Sorry, I think I already said the marketing team, but customer care team. And let me go ahead and enter the prompt. So I want a slide to promote an offer that we have. I work for a veterinary, and I want to promote this offer available for June. So I can enter the prompt, and we just have to give it a couple seconds while it's cooking. And there we have it. So I have a nice image. I can either edit the text. Now I can edit the text only after I have clicked on insert. So I can go ahead and click on insert, and that's good for me. I can just go ahead and probably maybe change a different background color or add another theme. For spreadsheets, a good use case that occurred to me this morning is I work or I need a table that is going to list milestones. I work as a movie director. So I'm going to click, got it. And I need help with a table. So again, I'm going to paste the prompt. and I want to know what are the milestones that a movie producer or a director needs to take into consideration. Now, that seems about right. Now, I do not have any experience as a movie director, but it's a good start. I can then again ask for this to maybe a different prompt, or um, if again this resonates with me, I'll go ahead and click on insert. And the next is on Google Docs. Now, even though Gemini doesn't allow you an option to upload a PDF text, what you can do is maybe upload that onto your Google Drive. And I had uploaded this document here. This is a PDF file, and then I can go ahead and open in Google Docs, and it's going to help me analyze what type of information I have on here. So over to the right, I have Gemini sidebar, and I want a summary of this content. So if I click on that, I'm going to get a specific summary about this. Let's see, 5 pages that we have here. And I think that is an excellent summary. But if we want to start from scratch using a new Google Doc, let's go ahead and create a new document. And I have the option here, help me write. And the prompt that I had created earlier, I need this one. We're actually going to type it. Draft 5 social media post about the Help Me Gemini tool that emphasizes its main features. And let's click on create. While we wait for the output, yeah, okay. So if you are wondering what is Help Me Gemini, this is another tool that was created by Highview Solutions. If you are getting the wrong outputs or you are not getting what you expect, that is another excellent tool that you can install on your Chrome browser. I will include the link into the bottom of the video, so you will be able to get access to the Help Me Gemini. Now, Google has created a prompt guide, and it's very useful. I encourage you to read it. But again, if it's too much to go through right now, you can always use our Help Me Gemini tool. And last but not least, we have Gemini on Google Meet. How can I go ahead? How can I use Meet? Sorry, how can I use Gemini in Meet? So there you go. We are going to start a meeting. And depending again on the type of edition that you have, you can create a background. So I'm going to generate a background. Um, that suggestion looks nice, a cozy coffee shop with flowers. We can define the style. I'm going to say no style, and let's create samples. Now, again, your creativity, you can let it go with your, this one looks pretty. So let's use that. Well, maybe this one is a bit better. Yeah, that looks nice. And it looks like I'm on there. All right. So, yeah, again, as a summary, so you can use Gemini in your Gmail, you can use Gemini in your Google Docs, spreadsheets, and also in your presentations. You can use it in Meet to enhance the video and the audio of your meetings. And depending on the edition that you have for Gemini, it can also help you take notes during your meetings. At the end of the meeting, the person that requested Gemini to start taking notes, it's going to get all of those notes through a Google Doc, and then you can simply share that with all the attendees. Okay, I hope you like this video. And remember, at the bottom of the description, I'm going to include the link for the Help Me Gemini. I'm going to also include the Google Guide for prompts. And if you are still wondering how can you purchase Gemini or how can you get Gemini for your Google Workspace edition, you need to contact us. So I'm going to leave our contact information in the description. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.